Hey guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to add a white background in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and the first thing that we would need to do is find our project panel, which is right here in my case. So if you have a different layout, you would want to find this. As you can see, it says project and my project name. And then from here, what you want to do is you want to make sure that it is already wide as it is, so that you can see this icon right here, the new item icon. Then you can click on that, and then from here you would want to click on color matte, and then from here you want to go and click on OK if you're satisfied with the settings right here of your white background, and click on OK. And from here all you have to do is drag this onto the white side, and then you would have this white right here, and click on OK. And from here you can name your color matte if you want. In my case, I'll just go for sample and click on OK. And after that, I can now click on the color matte and drag it into my timeline. And just like that, I now have my white background, and I can type whatever I want right here, or do whatever I want with the background right here. So let me turn it to red. And just like that, we now have our white background. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.